Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your website by using Ghost Inspector and how you can install test recorder in your browsers. So let's start. First of all, open Chrome browsers and open google.com, and type Ghost Inspector. Then click on ghostinspector.com. This is the first URL on top. Now see, this is the Ghost Inspector website. Catch the bugs before they cost you. Easily create automated browsers test for your website and web applications. Ensure everything works and looks the way it should. No coding required. Okay, so I'm going to create account that is free trial account. So click on start your free trial accounts button. It will provide free trial accounts for 14 days, and you can check all the premium features on this. So let's start. Demo and last name is test, and company name student, and your company size individuals. You can select as per your company size, but I'm just selecting individuals for right now. QA engineers, enter your email. I'm going to enter email something like test201@gmail.com. Password, you can enter any password as per your requirements. 25258, and you need to agree the term and conditions. You need to and then click on create buttons. Now your account is created, and now you need to install test recorder in your browsers to record the test cases. So go to google.com again and search Ghost Inspector test recorder. Test recorder add-on, and search it. Now click on this Ghost Inspector web test recorder. Then click on add to Chrome buttons. Add this extension. Now here see Ghost Inspector web test recorder is added in your browsers. Then click on here and log in. Demo test 001@gmail.com, and enter your password. And sign in. So in this video, we have signed up with free trial accounts and then install test recorders. Now I'm going to record. I'm going to create a test cases for you. So let's start. Open google.com first. Google.com here. Go to browsers and go to here and click on Ghost Inspector and click on record and type URL google.com and search Ghost Inspector. Click on this and click on this and make the search and assure this, right? And now click on finish button. Now just type test name like verify Ghost Inspector page opens, right? You can this is suit name. You can also change suit name if you want. Otherwise, if you want to keep it as default, then leave it as. If you want to execute this test just after saving, then you can enable this. If you don't, then you can disable it, but keep it enabled because I want to say execute this test. This is after saving this. Test, and now see it's started to running. Now let's wait for the result. Now see test message is getting fair because it's here element is failing because it's not able to catch this element. So you need to manually find the elements. So you need to fix this element so that it can catch it. Okay. So this is the way you can create an account on Ghost Inspector. You can install test recorder in Ghost Inspector, and you can create the test cases on Ghost Inspector. So so in this video, that is for all, and I will come with the next video. By then, thank you.